Hey everyone, want to know how to sculpt in Blender and learn about the basics within Blender? Let's get started. Open Blender, then press Shift and A, then Mesh, and then UV Sphere. This will be your sculpting base. Select your sphere, then switch to Sculpt mode at the top. You'll now see all your sculpting brushes. Use these three brushes. One would be to draw, which adds volume. The second one would be a smooth brush that would fix bumps. Then the third brush would be the grab brush, which would be used to move big areas. Click and drag to shape your model, just like clay. Don't focus on details yet. Start with big shapes using a large brush size. This is the key to better sculpting. Turn on Topo at the top. This adds more detail so your sculpt looks smoother. And that's how to sculpt in Blender. Now we will teach you the basics of Blender. The middle mouse would be used for rotation. You can also use Shift and the middle mouse to move. Then, using the scroll to zoom. Then, press Shift and A to add objects like cubes or spheres. This is how you start any model. You can press Tab to go into edit mode. Now you can move points, edges, and faces to shape your object. You can also switch to sculpt mode to shape objects like clay. This is great for beginners learning organic shapes. And that's your Blender beginner tutorial. Follow for more simple Blender tips. See you next time.